Going live in 3, 2, 1.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to Natter Negosyo. Natter Negosyo is a brief conversation on business. Today, we have with us Mr. Duke Minoza of Buenaventurada Farms. He's the general manager. Okay. Hello, sir. Kumusta ka?
Hello, ma'am. Good
Okay na ka?
afternoon. It's
Since the
yes,
pandemic,
I'm
by
good.
the
I'm
way,
good.
how was the farm doing during the pandemic last year?
Uh yes, the farm was doing okay. However, we had to lay off some of the employees because before COVID, there were 30 plus employees,
Mm-mm.
and unfortunately because wala man sad tay mga clients gyud anong panahon na kay
Mm-mm.
90% of our market is from the hotel industry.
Uh-uh.
And unfortunately, wala tay production atong mga panahon na gyud. Labi na sa pag-start sa COVID. So
Most
yes,
of these employees are farm workers.
farm workers, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So, by
Oo.
the way, how did you start the business? Mo
Ah,
share ko
yes.
sa PowerPoint ha, para at least kita.
Sure, sure. All right.
So, how did you start the business, sir? Coffee business.
Ah, yes. That was on 2009. We started with livestock, rice, but then we thought of what could we plant that's long term between me and my mom. And simultaneously, we said coffee because coffee.
But you had the
We
farm
were
na before you decided on a
yes,
business.
yes, ma'am. The farm was existed way before. My Lola had it for her children.
Okay. Unsa may
But
giplanta na
then
before the coffee?
corn and rice, corn
Okay.
and rice.
So, why
Yes,
decide on
and
coffee?
uh yes, because we love coffee, and I saw that my mom and my brother loves coffee. That's why I told them, why don't we plant coffee? Because tanan naman nga nag-inom og coffee. So there's this potential nga pwede natong
Mm.
ihimuon nga business. Yes.
Karon na
So
karon na 2021, unsa ba inyong market na ani?
yes, ma'am. Pag start sa COVID no, nagproblema gid tayo. But then again, we realized that why not go into another market, which is the frontliners. We decided to, to dive into that market and uh, create something that's on the go. Kaya kanimang good silang market is they want instant coffee,
Mm.
something that's fast, something that doesn't need any coffee maker. So that's why we created this. There on the picture
Mm.
kanang atong premium
Oo.
blend drip coffee. So mo na itong
Okay.
bestseller karon.
Oo.
Yes. Then and
Okay.
that on the left is our coin beans, coffee beans.
Oo.
That's where the hotels,
Oo.
for the coffee shops. And you're on the right on that picture is
Ah.
mo na atong drip coffee. Yes.
Okay. So when you say frontliners, sir, dili lang health workers.
Dili lang health workers, ma'am. Yes. All frontliners no kadong mga coin. Let's say kadong mga firefighters, kadong mga police, mga armies. So mo na atong kadong target market on that drip coffee. And also surprisingly kanang mga kanang mga health buffs, health enthusiasts, most na nangita og coffee for their intermittent fasting. So it's a great
Why
concept.
what's in
What
coffee
happened
na giganahan ang mga health buffs ani?
kay kuan ma'am, kay hindi kay kagutumon daw. That's what they said. And sa kung intermittent fasting ka, mark mo ilang pagkuan nga dili sila dali magutom and they're on the go, naa sila like energy to do those things that they want all throughout the day.
Okay. Kanang sir, unsa mang program sa DTI nga imong sudlan? Is it KMME?
Yes, that was way back 2017. We were the first batch sa KMME Bohol. Mo na
Okay.
atong na kuano. Kay the funny thing was, Prek, before KMME and the product that we have. While ma'am, ang atong client was a big company nga nagama og 3-in-1.
Mm.
Yes, we supplied them for quite some time. Unfortunately also, wala na sila nagpalit og coffee diri sa Bohol. And it was a big problem for us because we went into this business without even having a business plan. Unya, wala gyud mi kay unsaon pagproseso gani and kinsay among potential market. Yeah,
And
hapit na ko mo
how,
decide nga mo hapit na gyud ko mo decide nga moingon sa akong mama nga let's stop na lang this business kaning coffee farming kay lisod na gyud kayo watay market. Yeah, surprisingly, grabe gyud kayo Ginoo kay one time DTI called me and invited me nga mag-appeal sa KMME and that's the start of Cafe Nueva Vida. So we went through those program and we had a business plan. We created a business plan for Cafe Nueva Vida. Mo na tungan sa ato ang coffee. That's the brand name. And there, pag dito nagsugod yun ang ato ang coffee venture gid nga with our own brand, Cafe Nueva Vida.
are you online, sad sir? I mean, do you sell online?
Yes, we're naami sa Instagram and Facebook for now, ma'am. But we're also planning on creating a website para sa easy reach sa mga sa hilig sa internet.
Okay. Do you have any future plans for the company?
Yes, this 2021, we saw the potential of creating a farm tour. So we're planning on making Buenaventurada Farms into a agri-tourism site. So that's our plan. We decided na why not use what we have right now, which is the farm. Uh, kay karon man sa this nag-ease up naman pod ang requirements to go into Bohol. So
Mm-mm.
we're very optimistic on that part, agritourism.
Mm-mm. How's the sales so far?
It was not like before or pre-COVID, but enough for us to survive. That's what I can say. Pero we're very optimistic nga 2021 will be a good year for us.
Okay. So unsay ka advice nimo sa mga bagong entrepreneurs nga musud karong tuiga?
Yes. Uh, just like what we experienced, ma'am, the mistake that we made was going into the business without the business plan. So what I can say to those who want to go into business is that they must have a good business plan. They must have a unique business proposition, and kana kung anong nila they should hear their market and there should be market driven. Mo ginay ako aside from passion can't work it alone. You need to have that business plan. And if you have the chance, also please join KMME. It's a DTI program.
Oh, that's
It
Kapatid
helped us.
Mentor Micro Enterprise Program of DTI.
Yeah. Yes, that's true. Nakahatag yun sila tabang namo.
O sa imong nakatunan dito, sir, nga pwede nimong i-share sa amo or sa mga entrepreneur, would-be entrepreneurs nga mutan-aw sa imo karon.
Yes, ma'am. No, before good, as I have said kanina, wala mi business plan. Pagsugod na mo sa business sa farming. We just thought nga tanan mo kaon, yes, tanan mo kaon, but we didn't realize nga what could we offer in a specific market. So, ang KMME nagtabang yun na mo how to create that business plan and how we should see the details nga dapat nato nga timan-an para kung nay problema kay bawo na tag unsay solusyon. That's it, no. I think you should have the passion, the resiliency, labi na karon ka na COVID. Please don't give up so easily. Kay at the right time na agay tabang nga moabot. Just believe in yourself, believe in your product, and just have a good business plan.
Okay. I'm giving you a chance, sir, to promote your products or would-be products nga plano ninyong i-sell.
Yes, you can reach us out on our Instagram page and on Facebook. Buenaventurada Farms. we sell roasted coffee. We are roast on demand, so we don't roast lang and have it stocked. We hear from our clients whatever you need, your coffee needs are. We will customize them for you. Mo na yung naka-special sa Zato. What else? We also have various products we can offer you that you might like. And soon, hopefully you can visit also Bohol. Let us know para masuroy mo namo sa farm, and you will see how we do it. This is also in support for our coffee community sa Bohol. We're giving technical trainings for them also for free now. And we also, as part of our corporate responsibility, we also buy back their beans at a very good price. And I'm urging you, everyone, to support local para po in town matabangan na to ang ubang mga farmers. Not just us from Buenaventurada Farms, but the whole Bohol coffee community. Thank you.
So that was Duke Minoza of Buenaventurada Farms. Thank you kayo, sir, for guesting in our Natter Negosyo. Salamat
Yes.
kayo nga you have given us your time.
Yes, my pleasure. My pleasure.
So thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, na-stop na akong ang stream pag good afternoon yun ha. Okay na ta.
Ay, thank you kayo, sir.
Exit na ta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Salamat.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye-bye.